guys, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reads and Things. We're gonna make us some potato soup today, girls. Hey, why are you over there so far? I came on a little early. Well, 2 minutes early. Normally I'm late, so you guys will be coming in late because you think I'm late, and I'm gonna be early. I am sauteing some onions right now, and on the stove. Let me know when you get here, and please share and like my page, and I am sauteing one large onion on the stove, and it's almost done. So I thought, well, there's no sense of moving you over there. Hi, Mel. I don't see you. Hey, Janie. Okay. I am going to do this the way my mom used to. She used to, our potato soup, she would either use leftovers from the root cellar, or she would use leftover mashed potatoes or baked potatoes from when you'd make too many. So I'm going to show you. Yeah, it turned out really cute. Thanks for sharing. I'm going to teach you how to make some, you have leftover mashed potatoes, baked potatoes. What do you do with those? Here's a dish that you can use. Leftover mashed potatoes, if you have leftover celery, you can add carrots, anything from the root cellar into your potato soup that can just stretch the budget, and nice to have when in the wintertime, especially when you maybe can't get out to go to the store. You can even use powdered milk instead of milk, regular milk, or you can use whole milk. You can use whipped cream. You can use evaporated milk. All those things if you don't have the other things in your pantry. So potato soup is pretty versatile. And I'm going to start out by showing you, this is two large potatoes chopped, and these were leftover baked potatoes, but you can also use leftover mashed potatoes, whatever you have. And then I'm going to add, I like to saute my onions first. This is one medium-sized onion I sauteed in just a little butter, but if you want to do spray, you can do spray. But, And then I'm going to add, this is 2 stalks of celery. Hey, Jacqueline. This is 2 stalks of celery, washed and cut up. And, okay. I used a teaspoon of butter in the saute, so I use about totally 1/2 stick of butter. And this is 3 cups of milk. And that'll go in the crock pot. And this is a small batch of just basic potato soup. And then I normally add salt and pepper to taste. I add a little garlic powder. And then when it gets done, oh, I have the crock pot backward. Guess I can't turn it on that way. And nobody's reminding me to turn the crock pot on. We know I'm bad at that, and plugging it in too. Dang. We have, here at the house, we have child safety plug-ins, and sometimes I think it's child safety and me too. And then if it's not thick enough, I add a little bit instant mashed potatoes to thicken at the end. And then I add some cheddar cheese and some, if I have it, little things of bacon to put on the top for garnish. And that is my basic potato soup. And I didn't make a lot because Dad's not a fan of potato soup. But I love potato soup. When my mom used to make a lot of it. But I can't because Dad's not a fan. But so if I came on tonight and made some bows, I don't know what time, would anybody be interested in hanging out with me tonight? Oh, wow. Hey, Grandma. How's Grandma Rose? Hey, Lori. You're with that. Oh, okay. You'll take the Sandy, does that mean you'll take the chili and I'll eat the potato soup? Okay, I see how that is. Rose, I want to say congratulations. You got the cutest grandbaby ever. Yeah, potato soup's one of my favorites, but my husband's not a fan. But yeah, I'm thinking about maybe coming on tonight and do some bows because I have 3 tree toppers I have to get done. One is for my own tree. As soon as I find one. Hey, Faye. Yeah, like and share. We're getting up there at 3,000. I'm going to do a giveaway for the signed Easy Bow Maker. I'd like to give that away. And for some reason, my comments seems like they're not scrolling. They're going all at once, and then they're not and I don't see comments at all. It's crazy. Connie, you may be right. Gonna have to message her that I'm gonna have to go live on the other the app instead of on Facebook, on the business app. But I'll let you guys go. Thank you for joining me. Hey, Jana. I made potato soup today. I see Michael's has Christmas trees 50% off, and somebody told me Hobby Lobby does too, so I'm gonna have to look. We know this tree filled my living room. Have a good afternoon. I may be back on later tonight to do some bows. Talk to you later. Bye.